And we are back. Up next is a very special guest. She is a marketing and training executive at Slinglock. Anna is a motivational speaker, businesswoman, gold, silver investor, and fitness professional. Her passion to motivate and inspire others to change their lifestyle physically, mentally, and financially. She is extremely passionate about educating people on money mindset, the cryptocurrency world, gold and silver. She is marketing and training. She has multiple platforms such as selling pure fine silver, her own cryptocurrency coins, SIL, that is 100% backed by silver together with the cryptocurrency trading exchange that she's running. She is definitely a born teacher, trainer, and her passion is truly to inspire and change people's lives on many levels. Please put your virtual hands together for our special guest, Anna Wood. Anna, welcome.
Thank you, Chris. You can head off. Thank you. Hi, guys. It's awesome for me to be on this talk today. Like I said to Chris before, I love speaking to people. You know, it's a challenge for me to speak to virtual people. So in the background, you won't believe, I actually got a whole stage of people that I've set up, cut out. I'm joking. So what I'm going to be talking to you today, I'm going to be talking about silver as a digital asset and also as a payment system in this whole new DeFi world that's new and that we are experiencing. So I think those of you who have seen the previous presentations, what I'm actually trying to say, I'm going to be jumping between showing my presentation and also talking to you guys, because I like to talk to you so you can actually see me and listen to me. So let me start off. I'm going to show you just quickly. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be talking about today. So this is our Solganex ecosystem. I'm presenting Solganex today. I'm going to be telling you everything that we do and that where we are going into the future. So everything with Solganex starts with Solver, as you can see on the left-hand side. At Solganex, we've got our own exchange, our own cryptocurrency exchange. We've got our own 2 cryptocurrency coins. Our first coin is SOL, S-I-L, and our second coin is SET, S-E-T. So on those 2, I'm going to be talking to you about what you can actually do with those 2 coins, 2 options that you have, and then you can see it leads to spend. So in this whole ecosystem, it takes you to a place where you can spend and use cryptocurrencies. In the middle, we've got education. Education is also a big part of our Solganex platform, is this whole new world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, DeFi. It's a completely new world to people, and people sometimes don't understand. So a big thing that we are focused towards is basic education, starting from scratch and really empowering people so this whole world is not as scary as it is. So first, I just want to give you some basic information with silver. So you guys have probably seen, if we look at silver, its atomic symbol is Ag, which actually bears no relationship to the word silver. But where it comes from is it's the Latin word for silver is argentum. So that's actually where the Ag comes from. Now, those of you call on this webinar is, I actually want to ask you, who of you own silver? I never used to own silver, but now I do own silver. And somewhere in the back of my mind, I knew that I had to own silver, but I never knew, where must I actually go about to get silver. So why should you actually own silver? Because silver is a hard asset. So what I mean with that, it's something that you can physically hold in your hand. So I'd like to show you, I think you guys can see, this is our silver. So this is 1 kilogram of silver. And I'm going to get to explaining all of this in detail. Okay, so this is 1 ounce coin. So this is when I talk about silver as a hard asset. It's something that you can physically touch. You know, everything we're talking about today is the virtual, the digital world, and we bring it back to virtual and also the physical world. Now, a second thing is why you should own silver is because it's affordable. What I like about silver is it's easy for each one on this call to own 1 ounce coin. So 1 ounce coin like this is now 700, please, I'm not 100% sure. I think it's 740 for 1 ounce coin. So it's affordable. For, let's say, for example, to buy 1 gram of gold, it is a lot more expensive. So that's why silver is affordable. And that's why it is getting so much, I can say it's very popular at the moment is to own silver. And it's cool. Guys, to walk around with a coin like this in your in your pocket and show someone that's I own silver, it's actually quite cool to say. So also a big thing is silver outperforms gold in a bull market. The reason why that happens is, let's say, for example, silver or gold will grow with 5% in a bull market. Silver's got the potential to grow with 15%. So that's what's also awesome about silver is it outperforms gold. And I know many experts are saying that in future they believe that silver's value is going to go so much higher. I'm not saying silver is better than gold. Everyone on this call, you need to own silver, gold, and cryptocurrency. That's the 3 assets that we, digital and physical assets that we have to own. Also, silver's industrial use is growing, which means the supply and demand. So it's used in machinery, in everything it's being used. So there's becoming less and less and less silver. And I would like to show you at Silvernex. Well, before I get to that, let me just quickly show you this. I literally took this screenshot an hour now before the presentation. And you guys can see on the screen that literally in silver went from $19. This is on spot price, okay? So silver went from $19 to 26, I don't know what it's now, to $26 in less than 2 weeks, which is absolutely a huge growth that it had now in less than 2 weeks. If we look at these two stats, so the one on the left is silver's price according to the comparison to the South African rand, and the one on the right is US dollar. Now, a lot of people will say, yes, silver is very volatile. I agree with you, 100%, it is volatile. But again, any of these investments I say it as a long-term investment. If you just look at, I'm going to use South African rand. If we say, look at the percentage of growth that silver had in the past 6 months, 68%. Even if we look at on 5 years ago, 139.55%, which is quite a very big growth. And that's what excites me about silver. Okay, so this is our silver refinery. On the left, it's the silver gets poured into molds. The image in the middle is it gets pressed onto that little strip there that you see, and it pushes through that machine and it gets punched out. I think it was very interesting. I wanted to put this in because people don't always know how the process works. So on the right, you've got the blanks. That's a blank 1 ounce silver. And here it's gone through a process of putting on our Silvernex logo, our 1 ounce coin. Okay, now I'd like to get to our exchange. So we've got our own cryptocurrency exchange, which is, it's run on a partnered blockchain, decentralized partnered blockchain. And let me quickly show you. So this is a screenshot that I took from our exchange compared to a stable coin, which I'll talk a little bit later, to our set coin, our second cryptocurrency coin. Also, you'll see this is a wallet. So this is, you've got a Bitcoin wallet, your USDT, Ethereum, Sol, and Zcoin that I'll talk about now, and also our set. Okay. Let me quickly, okay, let's stay on this slide for now. I'm going to jump back. So here you can see I'm going to be talking now about our first cryptocurrency coin, which is SOL. Okay, so when we get back to, I think you should be able to see me now. So if I talk about SOL, so we are taking silver, a physical asset that I've got here, and we're putting it into a digital form. So when you buy our SOL, you are actually buying silver. So you're buying a cryptocurrency coin, but you're buying silver. So for you to obtain a coin like this, a 1 ounce coin, you have to buy 31.1 SOL coins. The reason why I say that is because our cryptocurrency SOL coin is 100% backed by silver, pure fine silver. So 1 gram of silver is 1 digital cryptocurrency coin. So for you to purchase a 1 kg bar, you are purchasing 1,000 SOL coins. So what's excellent about that is we are getting traditional people, if I can say it that way, and we're opening the cryptocurrency world by taking silver into the digital world. But what's awesome about that is you can liquidate it at any time you want to. So now you've got these SOL coins. I'm talking digital coins now, okay? So you've got your SOL coins. Now, what can you actually do with them? So what's exciting, there's a few things you can do with them. First thing is you can exchange them to physical silver. So via collection or delivery. Or let's say you buy your SOL coins now, okay? And you say to me, Anna, I would like to keep my SOL, my digital coins, for 5 years. And then from there, I would like to bring it out into the physical world. We don't charge you any storage fee. So we're keeping your silver in a digital form. And then 5 years or 6 years or 10 years from now, you bring it out into the physical world. So you can store it at any time in our digital wallet. Also, you can trade with your silver. So those at the moment, we don't have a trading pairs at the moment. Future trading pairs that we will be adding, where you're actually trading with physical silver, but it's digital. Hope you guys, I'm not confusing everyone now talking about physical and digital. So also, you can transfer your silver. Let's say, for example, I owe someone, I'm going to use an example. I owe someone 22,000 Rand. I'm talking about Rand today, Rand in dollars. So let's say, for example, I owe you 22,000 Rand. I can pay you with my silver. So if I own silver, if I own 1 kg bar like this, give or take, it's 22,000 at the moment, just give or take for the price, I can transfer my digital silver. I can transfer to you, and you can then take the silver, the digital, you contact us and you say, okay, I would like to take it out and bring it into a physical form. So I've used silver now as a digital form to store it. I've used silver to transfer or to pay someone, if I can say it in that matter, and I can bring the silver into the physical world, which is very exciting. You guys can see I'm very excited about silver, okay? Now, the second cryptocurrency coin that I'd like to talk to you about is our set coin. So I've talked to you now about SOL, or we've started with silver. The silver goes through our exchange. Okay, from the exchange, we've got 2 coins. Our first coin is our SOL, our silver coin. Our second coin is our set coin. So it stands for Solganex Exchange Token. So that coin is a utility coin that gets mined. It was created to give reward for people for trading on our exchange. So whenever you trade or you do exchanges on our Solganex exchange, you get rewarded in set coins. Now, what can you do? What can you do with those set coins? First thing you can do, you can trade with it. So price goes up, price goes down, you trade and you make profit from your set coins trading. Second thing you can do is we're using it for voting. So we're going to be adding certain pairs, trading pairs, to set, to SOL, different trading pairs that we're going to be adding, but we want the community to vote for those trading pairs, and they will be using the set coin as a voting coin to vote for those specific pairs. So on the third thing that you can do with your set coin is you can do staking. So this is where what's interesting about the DeFi space, it's all about investing and saving and lending and borrowing and interest. So we offer this staking process where you basically earn interest, if I can say it like that way, by staking your coins. You're earning dividends. I'm just quickly going to do a screen share again with you guys because I'd like to show you. Okay, so you can see on the screen that these are basically the dividends that you are earning. For every 10,000 coins, set coins that you stake, let's start on the left-hand side. So for every 10,000 coins you stake, that's the amount of Ethereum you will earn per day. Same as with Bitcoin, same as with our set coin. So by staking set coins, you also earn set coins, and also with Zcoin. So when we get to Zcoin, that's our ZAR coin. Okay, so that's our Silganex stable coin that we created that is 100% pegged to the rand. Okay, so for every 10,000 for every 10,000 set coins that you stake, you earn 15 rand per day. So this basically gives you a passive income in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Set, and Zcoin. So let's just take for an example. If you want to stake 50,000 of those coins, okay, you times the amount at the bottom. So let's say if we look at the Zcoin, the rand, you times that amount by 5, and that's your earnings that you make per day. You times that by 30. So this is an awesome way for passive income and, to earn in all of these different coins. Now, what's excellent about the set coin as well, whenever you do trades on our exchanges on the exchange, when you do staking, all of those, you get rewarded. Because you're using the exchange, because you're staking, because you're doing exchanges, you're being rewarded and you are earning set coins. So we give you more set coins that can then be used for trading again, staking again, future products, and voting. So it's a whole ecosystem, that we've created in our Silganex platform. Okay, so now I would like to get to our last section. So that is, you guys can see that we start with silver, we go through our exchange, our 2 cryptocurrency coins, what you can do with those specific coins, or everything in the digital, but also coming back to the physical world, and then we go to spend. So before I go to the next slide, those of you that are strong cryptocurrency traders in this digital crypto world, sometimes we sit with a problem of bringing your profit, for example, through an exchange. And so what we've partnered with is you take your crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, you transfer it to a cryptocurrency card, and it enables you to spend your crypto. So from there, if you transfer Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT to your Silganex crypto card, it immediately transfers and takes it over into US dollar. So you can be in any place in the world and you can spend cryptocurrencies, but it's been taken over into US dollars. Now, we know that there's been a few of these cards that have been created. What's awesome about this card is it's really focused towards easy liquidity with low fees. So we've really done our homework in, sourcing the best card to enable you to spend your cryptocurrency. So completing our ecosystem is our Solganex education platform, which is Crypto Crash. So at Crypto Crash, we are focused by eliminating the confusion. We're taking the confusion out of cryptocurrency but making it basic, because sometimes a lot of people feel that, crypto is very foreign and they don't know anything about it. So our focus is really to simplify. So it's for the newbie, the newcomer person to understand cryptocurrency. So the courses or the workshop that we currently created is what is blockchain, what is crypto and Bitcoin, crypto wallets, how to pay with Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin. So really basic modules. And we are looking for companies to partner with us to really build our Crypto Crash. Then just to sum it up, if we look at Solganex, this is our 6 platforms. So our main focus is silver. We are taking silver, physical silver, into the digital world. And from there, you've got many options on what you want to do with your silver. Also, on our exchange, you can purchase our silver with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and with USDT, and also obviously with our stable coin, our Zcoin. Then from there, we take our set coin. We've got 2 cryptocurrency coins, our digital coins, SOL and SET, which all goes through our exchange, our Solganex exchange. When you trade on our exchange, you earn SET coins, which can then be used for staking, for trading, or for future products, or for voting. So from there, we are focused towards education, educating people on cryptocurrency, on blockchain, on the whole decentralized finance space, which is still very new. This is also a platform, the DeFi platform, that is also new to us, that we as a company are really delving into deep to get Solganex part of the DeFi space, which I will talk about just now. We're taking Solganex into an international platform as well. And then we end it off with our Solganex cryptocurrency card. But silver always stays our main focus. So just to end it off, this is the complete of our Solganex ecosystem. Okay, so if we look at DeFi, so why is decentralized finance there? Everything, I think most of you guys who have listened to some of the previous speakers, which is extremely interesting. I listened to 3 of the speakers before, which is very, very, very interesting. And all of it is basically to eliminate intermediaries. And DeFi is definitely the new economy that is offering lending, investing, saving, and interest. And that's where Solganex fits in very nicely, because we want to give people an opportunity to earn interest or dividend on specific coins. And taking silver into the digital space where, we take silver into the digital space and we're giving clients the opportunity to decide, what do you want to do with your silver? Do you want to keep it digital into a later stage, or do you want to bring it into the physical world? So DeFi also offers you to take your assets into the digital space, like I just said. So in us, silver, there I just see a beautiful spelling mistake there. So we use silver then as collateral in this DeFi space. For example, is someone gives us let's say, for example, they give us 1 kg of silver and they want to borrow 60% of that. They will use SET coins to pay us back. So again, we are taking our SET cryptocurrency coin and our Soul coin, which is part of our ecosystem, and we're creating another ecosystem with those two coins together that is fitting into the DeFi space. And you guys will see that silver is becoming the talk of the town. So many companies are pushing silver because it's really outperforming. It can outperform gold at the moment. It's easy to acquire. It's affordable for everyone to use. And so I just want to talk about what actually makes us different at Silganex. So we don't only sell silver. We have a cryptocurrency coin that's 100% backed by silver. So you don't only have to buy, you can buy one Soul coin, which is 1 gram of silver. You don't have to buy 1,000 kg. So if you want to use that as a saving plan, for example, you buy 5 grams of silver per month, which is your Soul coin. But for you to get it out into the physical world, you need to have a minimum order of 31.1 digital Soul coins, which is 1 ounce. So you can decide how much you want to buy. And I don't think there's any platform that gives you that opportunity to save in digital but physical silver. So at Silganex, we've got our own cryptocurrency exchange, and we want to reward everyone. We reward everyone in Silganex exchange token, where you can earn, again, rewards, set coins. We offer education. That is really what makes us different at Silganex, is because we offer education, and we want to take this ecosystem and show to everyone. Let me just quickly get back to, there we go. Guys, if there's any questions that you have, I literally talked so quickly now because I know I am pressed for time, and I have got I've got 3 minutes left. So if there's any questions, let me just quickly check in the box. The question that I've got is, what is the guarantee that silver is really there? You might own a digital asset in your wallet, but the real silver asset does not really exist. It exists 100%. You can now purchase your silver, and you can, through our digital platform, you can require that you want to get it delivered, or you can get it for collection. So you're actually purchasing physical silver, but we keep it digital. I hope that makes sense. So if, let's say, for example, if you come to the office, you can place a digital order here, and immediately we can bring it in to the physical world. What will make Silganex crypto card different to the other crypto cards? Very good question. We've had that from many people before, and that's why we really did our homework into acquiring the best cryptocurrency card that will not make it fail, let's say, for example, because I've heard about a lot of cards that fail. Also, let's say, for example, 5-6 months down the line, suddenly the fees are very high, and also that the liquidity is not as easy as people say it is. We have really done our homework and spent millions of dollars on acquiring the best cryptocurrency card. And obviously, at the end of the day, nothing is guaranteed. I believe in nothing is guaranteed. But because of the homework we did, this card is definitely different to any other cryptocurrency card.
Anna, just a quick question. Is that card underwritten by Visa or MasterCard?
Visa.
Oh, Visa. Okay, it's different. Okay,
yes.
Super.
Yeah.
I see here's one question here from Edda, which is, what is the guarantee that silver is really there?
Yes, I answered. Yeah, I answered.
Oh, we did that one?
Yes.
Okay, then I think you've got it pretty much covered.
I did it in exactly 30 minutes. I'm so proud.
Bang on there. Okay. Thank you so much, Anna.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. I'm going to do my last screen share. It's all our contact details, and then I'm going to go and log off.
Will you be hanging around in the lobby or the lounge area or the VIP? So if anybody wants to ask a question, they can just come and grab you there. Is that okay?
Correct. 100%. I will.
Okay, super. Thank you so much.
You.
It's just, there's all your details.
Yes. Guys, if there's any information, you can just send me a mail. It's anna@silganex.com. I will reply to that immediately. More detail on the card is silganexcard.co.za and Crypto Crash, and also silganex.com. Sorry, there's a mistake as well. Silganexcard.com, not .co.za. Sorry, that was my mistake. Thank you, guys. Have a fantastic day. And I'll be in the lobby now.